longtime viewers will know this elevator well. This is Bloomingdale's Walt Whitman Mall. I don't think the chime works anymore. So, something interesting, I'll let the door close. This elevator just had its pump replaced. This is January 30th, 2025. This is done like within the last couple weeks. Let's go up. I'll say, this thing runs better than it ever used to. Definitely goes up quicker. Fletcher said there was a leveling issue, but leveling seems fine, so I think they probably fixed that in fine-tuning. Again, a couple weeks ago, this pump was replaced. Presuming it's an MEI pump. Indicator's mostly burnt out. This elevator's got a bit of a history to it. Flowing on the way down leaves a little bit to be desired. But I can fine tune that. We'll take it for another spin. Make that go off, maybe. There we go. Yeah, no more chime. Hey, what I was saying is quite a bit of history to this thing. So the store opened in 62. It was the mall's original Macy's. Macy's moved into the old A&S. That's the present day Macy's. I think we stopped. No, I think we stopped in LL. See, I'm used to this thing being a lot slower. Oh. Brake broken. All right, that's it.